Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Long time no see. Been extremely busy keeping America running. My Instagram has been on fire. So you gotta check me out on Instagram, right? If my YouTube's dead, my Instagram's on fire, because that means I'm busy rocking and wrenching and picking and selling. Sunday was an epic day for me, right? Had to rock and wrench all day long for about 8-10 hours. After that, ran around, sold a snowblower, picked up 2 snowblowers, sold a lawnmower. Oh, that's right, and I sold a backpack blower. So it's a pretty active and late night, but here we are now. So I had work 3 o'clock in the morning. I was actually babysitting in Amazon Depot, which is pretty interesting. That's my Instagram too. Plugging you guys a lot, because remember, Instagram goes with YouTube, YouTube goes with Instagram. So if you subscribe to me, you should be following me on Instagram at PATTAY'S Performance. Alright? So anyway, I went to Brooklyn today after work to check out the Sat Rari's replacement. We might be doing it, I have to think. My better half, my wife says I should do it. We'll see. But so I had to run from one end down to the next to go pick up these 2 items. Now, both of these were promised to me running and driving, and I don't know if the running and driving, wow, I'm still on mechanic terms. Both of these items were promised to me in good and looking and working order, which they are. That one I power washed already, I put it up for sale. This one I couldn't. This is your ECHO SRM225 power head. That is the same as your SRM225, but this one takes the attachments. All I had was the weed whacker attachment. I kind of noticed it in the pictures, but I didn't. But the price was right, so I went out there, I got it, and I got it even cheaper because check this out. Check this out. Prime it. Okay. Yeah. Let's stop it. So, this machine is 2019. It's not even a year old. Okay? Now, he didn't want to sell it to me. He's like, oh, bring it in for warranty, yada, yada, yada. I'm like, dude, I came from Brooklyn all the way out. He was like, dude, I came from Brooklyn, man. Come on. I can't. And so then he was like, all right, so I actually got it even cheaper because of this. This is a 2019 Echo, right? He said he hadn't used it in a while, which is fine, but I guarantee you this could be 2 problems of why this is bogging down, right? One, check out this exhaust port. See that? It's nice and dirty, per se. Can you guys see that? See how it's nice and dirty. So that means he ran an oil-rich mix, which is fine, but sometimes it clogs up the screen. Or number 2, there is a secret adjustment right here. Can you guys see that? Sometimes there's a black plug in there, and you have to take that out. So sometimes it's a BITCH to do it, but a quick turn with a pick or just some finagling, it's going to test your patience. You expose the screw. So what happens is, now I'm going to start the machine. Here we go. Just a flat blade screwdriver. Nice and skinny. And we're going to stick it down this hole. Like so. Hold on. See that? I feel I'm in the slot. Now I'm going to pull the trigger down. I'm going to start working the screwdriver. Waka! So anyway, let's this thing run for a little bit. So, little flat tip screwdriver, okay? I happen to turn it, wait a minute, because I have the machine facing me, counterclockwise. And that was it. So, that's it, man. This is a nice, easy flip. Pay me, buddy. So don't forget, if you guys have the same exact problem on your new weed whacker, or even on an older one, try those two things first I showed you. Check the exhaust screen. I didn't have to check the exhaust screen, but there's a screen inside there called a spark arrestor. Delete it, remove it, throw it out in the garbage. Personally, on all my 2-cycle stuff that I own, garbage. Now, if I am fixing and flipping something, if everything is apart, I will pull that spark arrestor out if I'm in there for something else. But this thing is brand new, so I'm just going to clean this thing up, and we're going to sell this thing. Alright? So if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. Subscribe now. Wait. Follow me on Instagram. Alright? Yo, PATTAY'S Performance. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.